What is the most beautiful thing you got, felt, realized after joining Inner Excellence?
So first, I'm very grateful that I joined this hub. I was waiting when you will launch this hub and I will join actually, as you know, because I was able to connect with all your posts and everything. And I felt that somehow this is where I can get all answers to my questions and I can resolve all my doubts in my life. Okay. These are not questions or doubts which we can resolve anywhere. Very deep, something is bothering me, was bothering me, but now it got clear after joining this hub, Gen A. And I am feeling like I got the uh, exact path and the roadmap where I can lead the life I want to lead actually.
But what made you feel this thing that here and here only? Or, didn't you ever had doubts?
No doubts. Actually, you were not telling anything about your courses. I were inquiring about what you are launching, when you are launching, because I got that somewhere I connected with you in social media. But and there I saw some post like I thought that Korak is the person who can give me the answers of my all doubts in my life, and somewhere I am confused in some parts of my life. It's not like whole life is confused, or somewhere I'm feeling that lack of confidence or confused
Clarity.
in certain things,
Clarity.
not having much clarity. And here I will get that clarity. So no doubts. I came to your webinar with that intention to join your hub. First webinar and first attempt I joined. No doubt at all.
Yes, you are the first student
Yes.
from this online this thing. But
Yes.
still, I'm asking you like a very inquisitive, inquiring journalist. For example, like you must have met so many people, you must have been in social media, heard so many people and so many things.
Yes.
But why
Yes.
this person? Why this?
Why this hub means I got that whatever courses I am joining that are working to that 20% external works, okay, external excellence, but not internal peace, or you are telling all about inner excellence, which is at most important in our life. If we get that inner excellence, that 20% doesn't matter, or we can work out that. But this 80% is very important, inner excellence. And ultimately, I feel that after doing everything, a person who is seeking for peace will come to this path only, that 80% excellence part. So, no doubt, nothing. I came straight to you, and I grateful to God that He showed me this way actually.
Okay, thank you so much for saying that. Like, I would like to know a little bit, or my audience would like to know a little bit about yourself, your name, place, background, what you do.
Yeah. So I am Sona Bakre, a mother of two lovely kids and a wife of super intelligent man. And I worked as a interior designer over a decade. Now turned into a life coach. My specialization is I coach newly committed couple by giving them more clarity about their relationship with their spouse and with themselves. So this is what I'm doing now.
Okay, where are you from, and where do you live?
I'm from Bangalore, relocated to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So I'm staying in Malaysia now.
Okay, so my next question is like, what kind of mentorship or guidance you get in this Gen A hub?
Superb mentorship means you can't imagine, like, I just enrolled for silver level and I can't think like whatever doubt I can get in my day-to-day life also I'm getting resolved in this mentorship, or guidance is super duper excellent that a person who is going to enroll in this course will not have any kind of doubt in their mind. Super clarity I can get from this forum, this platform.
So, you think like in silver level only you got all the clarity, everything. So maybe a gold level, something higher is not required.
I don't know what is left in gold level, because in silver level only I am getting ocean, and it's up to me how much I can consume now. Okay, and I know I'm sure golden level means it's extreme level that 100% excellent, 100% I'll get that. Now I'm in a journey, okay, to get that 100% of that 80% excellence. I have to join that also, and I am going to join that also. Yes.
Okay, do you feel any difference between a pond, ocean, and Bhavsagar?
I don't know the difference, but I can get that word difference. Sagar means something greater, which we can see in physical world.
Than the ocean? You said that
Yes,
what you are getting in silver level is just like ocean.
ocean. Yes,
So just imagine Bhavsagar,
yes.
like the
Out
ocean.
of our imaginations. Yes.
It is.
Ultimately, I'm telling you, a person who is seeking to peace in his or her life, and he want to be doubtless or very clear in whatever life they are leading, they have to come to this excellence part, 80% excellence part, which we can get, and you made it very easy through courses you are giving. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for making this course actually. First, we all need this actually.
When you are saying this, some people who are skeptical, who are unsure, who are doubtful, they may think that maybe I have given you this course free and that's why you are saying these things.
No,
What
no,
do you
no.
tell to
Actually,
those skeptical people or negative people?
no, actually, I was in position that I couldn't afford to enroll. Means very critical after COVID and all. Everybody can understand what is the situation. But I intentionally took this step because of my peace, my inner excellence. It's nothing to do with nobody. Even you never told me to enroll this course, even once also. I did it with my. I want that peace. I want the solution of life actually. So I enrolled, and that was the best decision I made in my life.
Oh, I wish I could, you know,
Yes, yes.
give the service which
You are doing already. Yes.
and the next question I have is like what uh, what do you plan to get or reach through inner excellence? Your future through inner excellence.
In future, I want to contribute something to society. It's not like we are here to take something only, to get something, and to contribute society. We have to fulfill ourselves without any doubt, or we have to be very clear within. Then only we can contribute to our society. I am contributing, but not in that extent that I want to contribute. So this is the first thing I want to get from inner excellence. I can contribute more to society.
Do you think like in all these one-to-ones and talks and courses which you have already,
Yes.
do you think this thing has been motivated, or this thing has been flamed, given air to the
100
flame?
100%. Whatever. Actually, after COVID, I was lacking that interest, or I lost that purpose of my life. After joining this hub, after one-to-one calls, I got clear when we were talking about that goals of life. that part made me clear what is purpose in my life. Actually, I was thinking randomly that I want this, I want this, I want this in my life, but I wasn't know everything was connected to nature, humanity, and health and everything. So that made me like that was eye opener moment for me. So yes, that was amazing session actually.
Thank you, Sona. Like, I want to, because when I come and do this thing, then it is like I waited for 25 years to actually
Yes.
go out and do these things. Earlier, I have
Yes.
done it with like 100,000 people around the world, and that was like more like a friend or a teacher or whatever. But coming professionally and doing this thing, I've waited for 25 years. So I want to serve everyone, including you, in the
Hmm.
world, at least 1 billion people before I leave this world. So I want to know what more I can give, what more I can serve, what more I can do, so that the main aims of people which they have in there within that
Hmm.
gets fulfilled. What more we can do?
See, what you are offering is having everything actually. I can't tell that you can add something to this course. What I can tell you that you have to reach to people more. And I will 100% I am going to do that. I from my side how much I can contribute to this society I will do to make people join this hub. And the best you can do more that more people you can bring in this community. This is all you have to do now. You spend already 25 years and made this course depend on your experience and everything whatever you did in 25 years. This is the essence whatever you did in 25 years, and now I want this essence to go in people and they can feel that essence and they can fulfill their life.
So, this is a surprise thing for you, but can I give you a project now?
Yes, yes,
Your
yes.
third project. You have already
Okay.
done your first two projects. The third
Yes.
project is like, do you think like you would go out and talk to people, tell your friends, tell people
Yes.
about this course?
Yes, I am going to tell because I am getting so much from this course. And no doubt, if you are telling or not telling, I'm going to tell all the people, all relatives, friends around me that you have to join this hub to betterment of you, your family, your kids, everything. And especially betterment of this society, we need to enroll more people to this hub.
Okay, so like I'll now the next question is like, what would you tell those people who are not related to you, who do not know about, who do not, who have not yet thought about inner excellence? They are just running for outer excellence and ये पैसा मिल जाए, ये हो जाए. Like they are talking about bank balance rich, but not about 100%
Yes.
rich.
I was in that category earlier. So I want to ask them one question only. After doing everything in your life, okay, whatever research and development you want to do, everything, whatever you did, after everything, do you feel that inner satisfaction now? Do you feel that peace, whatever you are seeking in your life? If the answer is no, please go and join this hub without any doubt, without any more questions. And this is not a big amount or nothing. You can spend, if you go to any restaurant, you can spend this for a dinner. This is this low as you can't imagine for that course what you are getting. So believe me, I am giving you a guarantee you will not regret by enrolling this course for one fraction of second also.
Thank you. And this thank you is from the one who created me and this course and everything. And I hope
Yes.
somebody doesn't think that it is somebody, some person. It is beyond the person who is.
Yes, it's beyond us, beyond our imagination.
Yes. Ah, thank you so much, Sona. And I think I have
It's,
like
it's my pleasure actually to talk to you and give inputs whatever I'm getting in this course. Thank you so much for inviting me to talk to you, and I'm really grateful to be in this community. And I will be there in this community till the end of my life. Thank you so much.
all the best to you, all the best to you. And I
Thank you so
just
much.
want, if I want one thing for you, I just want that you be happy within, happy with your family, and also, most importantly, happy as a human being.
Yeah. Thank you so much.